Hi there, Nikos here, and welcome to our free intro workshop for 2018. And it's about a strategy I want to focus on that can make your trading life much easier. It can save you a lot of time, a lot of money, because I created a great and simple to use EA that comes with this strategy. Now, what I want to do in this intro workshop is to give you one strategy out of the four, or actually it's one strategy, but there are four ways to trade on this strategy. So I want to give you one strategy in much detail that you can use right away, practice with it, and make profits with it. I will also show you how that EA works that we created in order to save you a lot of time. So if you look at the chart, you'll see what this EA does. It's calculating the risk when you trade, and some of our members already have the basic version of this, but it's also what it's actually doing. It's waiting for the price to touch those 206.33 EMA, and then it's firing an alert. And what happens, because we like those areas to trade on, because price usually bouncing off those areas or breaking those areas, I will show you a strategy to get in after you receive an alert, either to your phone or email push notification, or just alert on your MetaTrader platform. So what will happen if you set it up correctly, you will get the alerts, and you can just set your pending orders with this EA to trade, and then just walk away. It will calculate the risk for you. It will tell you when price is bouncing or breaking those areas, and according to the strategy I'm going to teach you, it will be much easier for you to take action and trade relaxed with no stress and actually enjoy everything. So hope to see you there. Remember, this is a strategy that the guys use, the traders use, that have like the really big accounts. I'm talking about not millionaires, actually billionaires are trading those strategies and I've seen them like years ago, and since then I'm really including the 206.33 into my trading strategies and style. So make sure you sign up. We only have 100 seats for that. Hope you will be there. Catch up soon.